Hello, my amazing money-savvy friends. Welcome back to OmololaFinanceLab, where we turn financial chaos into financial freedom. I'm your host, Badamosi Omolola, and today, we're diving into tools that will help you master your money like a pro. Before we dive in, how are you all doing? Tell me in the comments, I genuinely want to know. We're talking about tools to help you budget better, save smarter, invest wisely, tackle debt, and stay motivated. And guess what? I'm not just telling you about these tools, I'm showing you step by step how to use them. Here's the best part, these tools aren't just helpful, they're designed to make money management less stressful and way more fun. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel like a financial superhero. Oh, and don't worry if you're new to this, whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. Stay with me till the end, because I've got a challenge that could change your financial game forever. If you're ready to take charge of your finances, BOOP that like button, smash subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of money management, budgeting. Whether you're earning a little or a lot, budgeting helps you take control of your cash flow. The best tools for this are Mint, tracks income, expenses, and bills in one place. It even nudges you with reminders. YNAB, you need a budget, a proactive tool that teaches you to assign every dollar a job. Good Budget, based on the envelope system, perfect for breaking down your spending categories. Imagine you're earning $150,000 Nigerian Nairas a month. You want to save $50,000 Nigerian Nairas, but without a budget, you end up spending it all. With YNAB, you allocate $10,000 Nigerian Nairas for transportation, $20,000 Nigerian Nairas for food, $15,000 Nigerian Nairas for rent, and so on. When you check your app, you know exactly how much is left in each category. Set up a budgeting tool today, and start by tracking just 1 month of your expenses. You might be shocked by where your money is going. Have you tried budgeting before? If it hasn't worked for you, these tools might be the game changer. Let me know your struggles or successes in the comments. Now that we've got a budget, it's time to save. Saving isn't just about stashing cash, it's about automating it so you don't even have to think about it. Top tools for saving include PiggyVest, helps Nigerians save in local currency or dollars. You can set goals or use their automated savings plans. Acorns, rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Digit, analyzes your spending habits and saves money you won't miss. Now imagine this, you want to save for a $1,000, 1 million Nigerian Nairas, emergency fund. You set up an automated plan on PiggyVest to save $3, 5,000 Nigerian Nairas, weekly. In just under 4 years, you'll hit your goal without even feeling it. Even starting small can make a huge difference. Remember, small amounts add up over time. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Start small. Even 30 cents, 500 Nigerian Nairas, a week adds up to $15, 26,000 Nigerian Nairas, in a year. What are you saving for? Drop it in the comments, and I'll share some tips to help you reach your goal faster. Now, let's level up. Saving is great, but investing? That's where wealth is built. Investing grows your money through the power of compounding, earning returns on your returns. Think of it like planting a tree, the more you water it, invest, the bigger it grows. And before you know it, you're sitting under the shade of financial growth. And let's be real, investing isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone who's ready to take control and build their financial future. Here are some amazing platforms to get started. Bamboo gives Nigerians access to US stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Robinhood, perfect for beginners, with commission-free trades. rise, helps you invest in global real estate, US stocks, and fixed income. Imagine you invest $100 monthly in an ETF like the S&P 500. Over 10 years, with an average annual return of 10%, your investment could grow to $19,000. That's not magic, that's compounding at work. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Start with what you can afford. Even $10 or 5,000 Nigerian nairas invested consistently will grow over time. Does investing sound complicated? It's not. Comment below if you'd like a step-by-step tutorial on starting your first investment. Debt is the biggest obstacle to financial freedom, but the right tools can help you conquer it. Trust me, with the right plan, you can eliminate that stress and finally breathe easy. Here are the top picks. Tally helps pay off credit card debt while minimizing interest. Debt Payoff Planner lets you strategize with either the snowball or avalanche method. CredPal, a Nigerian tool for managing debt and building credit scores. Say you owe $1,000 million Nigerian nairas on multiple loans. Debt Payoff Planner suggests paying off the smallest debt first, snowball method, to boost your confidence. Or, it might prioritize the debt with the highest interest rate, avalanche method, to save money in the long run. Write down all your debts and their interest rates, then use one of these tools to create a repayment plan. Consistency is key to crushing that debt. And remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Share your story in the comments to inspire others. Let's tackle debt together. Finally, let's talk about staying motivated. Setting goals is one thing, tracking them is another. Use tools like Trello, create boards for financial goals like emergency fund, car loan, or vacation. Notion, customizable templates for tracking income, expenses, and milestones. Money Lover, specifically designed for tracking financial goals. Imagine you're saving $500,000 Nigerian nairas for a side hustle. With Trello, you can break it into smaller milestones: $50, 50,000 Nigerian nairas, $100, 100,000 Nigerian nairas, $150, 150,000 Nigerian nairas, and so on. Each milestone checked off brings you closer to your dream. Every small step counts. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Set up your first goal tracking board today and update it weekly. Seeing your progress is a powerful motivator. You'll be surprised at how quickly those goals start to add up. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, you'll get there. What's your top financial goal right now? Share it below, and let's make it happen. Here's your challenge. Pick one tool from today's video: budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, or goal tracking, and use it for 30 days. Track your progress and share your results in the comments. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just 30 days. Complete the challenge, and I'll give you a shout out in a future video along with some exclusive bonus tips. Don't worry if it's tough at first, persistence is key. It's all about taking that first step, so don't hesitate. The results will speak for themselves. Ready to take the challenge? Let me know which tool you're choosing and why. That's a wrap, my friends. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial mastery. Thank you for spending your time with me today. You're the reason this channel keeps growing, and I'm so grateful. Let's keep this money-saving journey going. Smash that subscribe button, let's grow this amazing community together. BOOP the like button, it really helps more people discover this content. Comment below with your questions, ideas, or feedback. Your voice matters here. Ask for any video topics you'd like me to cover, I've got you. Remember, money mastery isn't just about tools, it's about you taking action. Let's do this together.